Hello, friends. The title of this book is Click, Clack, Boo, A Tricky Treat. And it's written by the same people that wrote Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. So Doreen Cronin is the author, and Betsy Lewin is the illustrator. Okay, Click, Clack, Boo, A Tricky Treat. Click, clack, boo. So it's late night at the farm, isn't it? Do you see the bats flying past the moon over here? Farmer Brown does not like Halloween. Witches give him nightmares. Pirates give him shivers. Jack-o'-lanterns flicker spooky shadows on the wall. Farmer Brown leaves a bowl of candy on the porch. Right there. He puts a do not disturb sign on his door, and he draws the shades and locks the door. But in the barn, the Halloween party has just begun. See that? Over here it says, prizes, most candy eaten, scariest boo, loudest scream, and best costume. I think that skeleton cow is a pretty good costume. What do you think? There is a crunch, crunching as the mice scurry across the field. There is a creaking as the sheep slowly push open the barn door. There is a tapping as the cows go to the window to let the cats in. The cats have wings on like bats. Farmer Brown does not like the sounds of Halloween night. He checks the lock on the door. He peeks through the window. There is a dark creature standing beneath the trees. Farmer Brown runs to his room, pulls on his pajamas, and climbs under the covers. He hears the crunching of leafy footsteps heading towards the house. He hears the creaking of the old boards on the front porch. Then a tapping on the front door. I wonder what he's doing. Farmer Brown pulls his covers up tight, and he hears a quackle in the crisp night air. Quackle? Quackle? Farmer Brown jumps out of bed. The porch is empty. The candy bowl is gone. And there's a new note on Farmer Brown's front door. Halloween party at the barn. Farmer Brown runs to the barn. There's a tap, tap, tapping on the window. Who's at the window? Here. It's Farmer Brown. Whoa! Look, he has a ribbon that says best costume. He's a Quackula. Happy Halloween. They gave best costume to Farmer Brown. Isn't that nice? So they made Halloween fun for Farmer Brown, even though he thought he didn't like it. All right, I hope you enjoyed that book. I enjoyed reading it to you. Have a great day.